Today we're going to go over our laser rejuvenation protocol on our GentleMax Pro. First, let's start off with our settings. On the GentleMax Pro, choose the correct wavelength, YAG. Under the YAG Applications drop-down menu, select Facial Treatment, then click Face and Neck, and select your client's skin type. Choose the proper spot size. To change the spot size, you must do so by changing it out on the handpiece. Press the button on the right side of the handpiece to remove the incorrect spot size and replace it with the correct one. You can push in or pull out on the handpiece to adjust the spot size. For a smaller spot size, push in, and for a larger spot size, pull out. Calibrate the settings. Put a headband on the client and make sure all their hair is tucked back. Cleanse the skin. Wipe the skin with alcohol. Either ask the client to remove any facial piercings, or you may cover their piercings with a cotton round and go around them during the treatment. Place goggles on the client and yourself. Use a white pencil to mark off the 4 sections on the face. Also mark around the hairline, eyes, orbital bone, and eyebrows. Always sharpen your pencil before and after each use. Have your temperature gauge in hand and keep the temp around 39 to 41 Celsius when performing the treatment. Place the proper gauge that matches your spot size on the handpiece. Press the Ready button on the handpiece. Start on the lower quadrants of the face. Switch sides and perform up to 4 passes on each section of the face before moving on to the forehead. Constantly move the device and hover over the skin using the painting technique to heat up the skin to 41 Celsius. Once you've reached this temperature, you can consider that one pass. Proper endpoint is erythema, redness, edema, swelling, and a sunburn sensation. When finished with the lower quadrants of the face, remove the gauge and turn off the Ready button on the handpiece to put it in standby mode. Place the handpiece back in the port. Under the YAG Applications drop-down menu, select Facial Treatment, Forehead, and select your client's skin type. You may drop the Fluence by 10 on the forehead if it is uncomfortable in this area. Place the gauge back onto the handpiece and press the Ready button. Perform up to 4 passes onto the forehead. Constantly move the device and hover over the skin using the painting technique to heat up the skin to 41 Celsius. Once you've reached this temperature, you can consider that one pass. Proper endpoint is erythema, redness, edema, swelling, and a sunburn sensation. When finished with the forehead, remove the gauge and turn off the Ready button on the handpiece to put it in standby mode and place it back into the port. Remove the goggles from the client and yourself. Use a soft cloth to remove the white pencil mark from the client's face. Place goggles back onto the client and use the aches and pains setting on the Soluma Pro LED. Use lotion and give the client a hand massage. Remove the goggles from the client. Apply hydrocool serum and SPF.